Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be continuing my modern Disney villain series, and I'm going to be doing Ursula. So if you like to see what I do, just keep on watching. So starting off, I am wearing a jacket because it's kind of cold in my house right now. And so I will take this off later when the look is like, needs me to take it off. But for now, I'm just going to stay warm. So I'm going to go into the water activated face paint from Snazaroo. I'm going to mix the pink and the blue shade. And I'm going to just start by applying that all over my face.
This is the future. Evolution. This is the future.
Okay, now that I have that done, I'm not going to do my chest yet until later because I want to keep my jacket on. So, let's see. Now for kind of contouring here, I think I might want to just use an eyeshadow. So I'm going to go into Coastal Scents Deep Grape, and I'm going to use that to contour out my face before I work on the eyes or anything else. I am using the Luxie 516 Duo Fiber Powder Brush for this.
Evolution. This is the future. Human error. Evolution. This.
Okay, now I think I'm going to go into Coastal Scents Midnight Blue to further deepen the contour, and I know it doesn't look quite so blended yet. I am going to add blush, so that should hopefully blend it all together. I'm going into the shade Midnight Blue from Coastal Scents, and I'm going to use a very small, like, angled blending brush. Or just a blending brush in general, or no. Yeah, I'm going to do an angled one. And I'm going to use that to really tighten up and deepen up really defined areas of my contour.
Is the future. Evolution.
Okay, now I'm just going to wipe off that brush on a paper towel. And then I'm going to go into that shade Deep Grape. And I'm going to use that to lightly contour the top part of my nose and along the sides. Okay, now for blush, I'm going into the e.l.f. Blush palette, their light blush palette, and I'm going to take this slightly deeper shade right here, and I'm going to use that to blush up my cheeks. And I'm just using one of these BoxyCharm brushes that I got in November's BoxyCharm. Actually, I think I'm going to use a different brush because this brush doesn't seem to be working that well. I'll just use another stippling brush for this. Okay, then I am going to add highlight. I'm going to go into the shade Illusion from the BH Cosmetics Blacklight Highlight Palette. And I'm going to use a brush of some sort. I'm just going to use another blending brush for this, small eye blending brush. And apply that to the high points of my cheeks. Whew, I'm going kind of heavy-handed. And then pretty heavy-handed on the nose. And between the eyes. Along the bridge of the nose. And on my Cupid's bow. Okay, now I'm going to go into the Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics, the Ink Blacklist Gel Eyeliner, and I'm going to use an angled brush for this, and I'm going to use this to fill in my brows.
This is the future. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
Now to start on my eyes, I'm going into Wild Wisteria from Coastal Scents, and I'm going to use a blending brush and run this into my crease. I'll also run this on my lower lash line using the same brush. Now I'm going to go into the shade Indigo from Coastal Scents, and using the same brush, I'm going to run that into my crease as well and on the lower lash line. I'm probably going to use a different brush for the lower lash line though, just so it's more controlled than this one. actually, I do think I'm just going to use the same brush. Just end up running it fairly low. Okay, now I'm going to go into Coastal Scents Blue Hawaiian, and I'm going to use a flat shadow brush and wet that and then apply it to my lid. Okay, now taking a more detailed brush, I'm taking that shade Indigo again and I'm pressing it closest to my lower lashes. And then I'm just taking this angled brush from Spiced Cosmetics and I'm using that same shade Indigo once again, and I'm going to really deepen up the area where the crease meets the shimmer. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the shade Black, and I'm going to use that to line my upper lashes. Okay, then for mascara, I'm going to use the Essence Lash Princess Mascara, and I'm going to coat my top and lower lashes. Okay, now I'm going to throw on some lashes. These are the VGTE lashes. I'm going to use this second pair right here. So I'm going to throw those on and be right back. Okay, now for lips, I'm going to go into the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Lipstick in the shade Missy and Fierce, which is a nice red, and use that to color my lips. Okay, then I'm going to use my liquid eyeliner real quick, and I'm just going to create a little mole. Like right there. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw on a wig and then quickly paint my chest the same color as my neck off camera, and then I will be right back. Okay, so here's the final look. I just threw on this wig. This is one of the wigs I reviewed from the brand Lolitane. So yeah, so if you like this video, I guess please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already or if you want to, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!